In this video, I'll show you how to cancel or void e-signature documents in Docusign using the easiest and most practical method. After logging in, head to the Agreements section where all your sent documents are listed. Locate the envelope you want to cancel, click the three-dot menu next to it, and select the Void option. Docusign will usually ask you to provide a reason before confirming the action, which helps maintain a clear audit trail. It's important to understand that voiding is generally permanent, so you should double-check the document before proceeding. Recipients may also receive notifications that the envelope has been cancelled. If needed, you can resend a corrected version afterward to keep the workflow moving smoothly. You should also review whether any recipients already signed before voiding, as this may impact your next steps. Overall, it's a straightforward feature that helps prevent mistakes and maintain document accuracy. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you manage digital workflows smarter and more efficiently.